Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring a brand new video showcasing the CNG conversion of a Hyundai Creta with a 1591cc multi-point injection engine. We have installed a TA Argentina government approved CNG kit and we are here to share all the details with you. In this vehicle, we have equipped the following components. First one is a single stage reducer, ensures smooth and efficient gas flow. Second is CGAS ECM 32 pin, provides precise control and monitoring of the CNG system. Third one is the Voltec type TA injector rail, delivers optimal fuel injection for improved performance. Next is the NGV side filling valve with filling lid, installed as per the customer's requirement for convenient and safe refilling. Next, we'll talk about the advancer. In this vehicle, we have installed TA ARF 191 remapping advancer. Ensures a very good engine performance and fuel efficiency. In this vehicle, we have fitted 65-liter cylinder with a thermostat pressure release valve. Accommodates almost 9 to 10 kg of CNG, offering a great balance of capacity and safety. Powder coated stand, which is rust free and clamped properly, ensuring the complete weight rests securely on the chassis, preventing any body tearing. Let's talk about the mileage. With petrol, the average mileage we get is around 9 to 10 kilometers per liter, as it is a automatic transmission. However, with CNG, we see a significant improvement, 16 to 18 kilometers per kg of CNG in city and 20 to 24 kilometers per kg on the highway. We will take you through the entire installation process, discussing about of using CNG and share some tips for maintaining your converted vehicles. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more automotive content and updates. Feel free to contact us. We have branches at Chennai, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Malappuram. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable contents. Thank you.